Welcome back to Everything House. This is Marco again. We're going to go ahead and talk about cleaning your brush after you stain. So I just did a video on staining. Check it out. It will be in the links below. However, what I didn't talk about is how to clean your brush. So most of the time, and I'll always confirm this, whatever products you use, it will have on there how to clean it up, all right, and follow that. But generally, when it comes to staining, things like that, polyurethanes, you want to use mineral spirits or paint thinner, okay? So if you look, see for instance, this is some Varathane wood stain. Here it says right here, how to clean up, all right? Mineral spirits. So what's that? That's this stuff. Don't really know what it is, but it cleans paint stuff and it works really well. It's not very expensive. This whole can was maybe like $8-9, something like that. But so yeah, so what you want to do is just go ahead and add some to a little container, okay? Just a little bit, not much. Okay, it really stinks, so do this in a ventilated area, otherwise you'll start feeling good after about 20 minutes. So just go ahead and put your paintbrush in there, and you'll see it'll start to dissolve it, okay? All right. Now I just finished doing this, right? So I just finished staining this, so it's going to clean really quickly, okay? As you can see, it's pulling out pretty much all of the stain in there, and it's diluting it, all right? So just let it a couple times, just let it glob up in there. Then just take a clean rag, or no, not a clean rag. Use like an old rag, something you don't care about too much. Let's see. Perfect. I love bowling. Perfect. Okay, here we go. I do like the bowl, but I don't need it in the shop. All right, here we go. So let's go and get it off, and just wipe it off. Okay. Can't really get simpler than that. Alrighty. Now once you take the brush and you push down on the rag, when it stops changing the color of the towel, then it's clean. One thing I forgot to mention, guys, I was looking for mixing cups, okay? I was looking at different stores, this and that. I couldn't really find them. I found them on Amazon, all right? So I found these cups. They're very cheap. I got a whole pile of them over there, and it was for like $20. It should last me a whole year. I think I got, I don't know, like 70 of them. They're nice because they have different ratios here. So if you want 1-to-1, 2-to-1, to be honest, I can't make rhyme or reason to what this means. Somebody watch this video and put a comment and explain to me what all these dashes mean, please. But what is useful here is you have your regular ounces. So if you want to do, say, a 3-to-1 ratio, that's 4 parts. You're doing 16 ounces, 4 ounces per part. Easy peasy. So this is how I pretty much get away with using this. But yeah, well, there'll be a link in the description below. Check them out. They're great. Alrighty. So that was how to clean your brush after staining. Thank you for coming. Like, subscribe, comments, questions. You guys know what to do. Talk to you later.